boys and girls? It's Yaya, and I have one of my favorite books. I know I say that a lot because I have a lot of favorite books. This one is called The Beebee Bird, and it's by Diane Massie, and the pictures are by Steven Kellogg. The Beebee Bird. I see a giraffe on the front cover, and then this plant with a little bird on the top of it. Let's look at the back cover. Oh, not much on the back cover. Oh, it's a big snake all coiled up, and then when you look at the top, you can see his head. So I bet this book is going to have some animals in it, huh? All right. Can't wait to find out. The Beebee Bird. The animals at the zoo had roared and growled and hissed and meowed all day long. They were very tired. All right, let's see all these noises they make. Here's the hippo. Oompa, oompa, oompa. And then the lion. Roar, roar. Oh, and look at the eagle. Eek, eek, ugly, ugh, eek. And then the seals. Woof, woof, woof. And the cheetah. Arr, arr, arr. Oh, here's the snake we saw on the back cover. Hiss, hiss. Oh, and the gorilla. Ah, ba, 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 ah, ba, 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 ba. Oh, here's another snake over here. Hiss, hiss. And then some wolves. Oh, oh. They are tired making noise all day long at the zoo. Oh, it's 8 o'clock, yawned the elephant, and he settled down in his big hay bed. I've eaten 562 peanuts today, he said. But no one heard him. They were all asleep. The zoo was very still. Elephant's going to sleep, and we have the lion, and the snake, and the bear, and the hippopotamus. Zoo was very still until Beebee, beebee, bobby, bobby, beebee, beebee, bobby, bobby, beebee, bobby, beebee, 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 bobby, bobby. What? Said the elephant. Is that? Oh, it's the Beebee Bird, said the giraffe. He's new to the zoo. Well, tell him to be quiet, growled the leopard. I want to sleep. Look up here again. Beebee bobby, beebee bobby, beebee 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 bobby, 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 beebee beebee bobby, bobby, beebee beebee bobby, bobby. Be quiet, please, said the giraffe politely. But I can't, said the Beebee Bird. I'm wide awake. Beebee bobby, beebee bobby, beebee beebee bobby, bobby, beebee beebee bobby, bobby. Quiet! Roared the lion. He's wide awake, explained the giraffe. Well, why isn't he tired like the rest of us? Moaned the bear. Beebee bobby, beebee bobby, beebee bobby, beebee bobby, beebee beebee bobby, bobby. Aren't you tired? Asked the giraffe. No, said the Beebee Bird. I've slept all day, and now it's time for me to sing. Oh dear, said the elephant. And I'm so sleepy. Beebee bobby, beebee bobby, beebee bobby, beebee beebee "Quiet!" shouted the animals. "We can't sleep." Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Bobby, Beebee, Beebee Bobby, Bobby. All night long. Those poor animals can't get to sleep with that noise. The sun rose in the morning on a very tired zoo. "What can be the matter?" cried the keeper. "The elephant is still lying down. The lion's paws are over his eyes. The eagle isn't screeching. Oh, dear me, the animals must be sick," he wailed, and he hurried away. "Beebee Bobby Bobby," said the baby Beebee bird cheerfully, and he settled down for his morning nap. "Beebee Bobby Bobby, Beebee Bee." So he went to sleep. The lion whispered to the bear. "I have a plan," he said. The bear nodded, and he whispered the plan to the others. And the Beebee bird was at last asleep. They all have a smile on their face, and they're all talking to each other, so they have a plan. I wonder what the plan is. Can you guess what you think the plan might be? Let's see. Oh, here's the lion. "Beebee Bobby," roared the lion. "Beebee Bobby," trumpeted the elephant. "Beebee Bobby," bellowed the bears. "Beebee Bobby Bobby, Beebee Bobby Bobby," sang all the animals. "Quiet," said the Beebee bird. "Can't you see that I'm sleeping? It's time for my nap." That was her idea, to keep her up or wake her up like she woke them up the night before, huh? "Beebee Bobby," yelled the hippos. "Beebee Bobby," shrieked the seals. "Beebee Bobby," thundered the moose and the water buffalo. "Beebee Bobby Bobby, Beebee Bobby Bobby," they roared. The keeper came running with his arms in the air. "Something's wrong, something's wrong," he shouted. "Something is very wrong with all the animals. Whatever shall I do?" And he jumped up and down with alarm. "Beebee Bobby," sang the animals all day long. And the baby Beebee bird simply could not sleep at all. She has her wings over her ears, but still can't sleep. Oh boy, look at all of these. "Beebee Bobby, Beebee 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 Bobby. "Beebee Bobby, Beebee 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 Bobby." The sun went down and the moon came up. Here we go again. "Beebee Bobby, Beebee 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 Bobby. Beebee Bobby, 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 Beebee Bobby. I could not sleep with that noise. "Beebee Bobby," whispered the lion, who was too tired to roar. "Bobby, Beebee," sighed the bear as he closed his eyes. "Bee, Bee, Bob, Bee," mumbled the elephant, half to himself. And then it was still. The moon shone down upon the sleeping zoo. You can see the animals are going to sleep. Not an ear or tail or whisker moved. And high, high up in the linden tree, a tiny bird inside a leaf was fast asleep. Shh. She's asleep now. Looks like they're all asleep now. Finally. And now, every day at the zoo, you can hear beep bobby, beep bobby, beep bobby. In between, the lions roar, roar, and eat up, oompa, oompa, woof, 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 hiss, hiss, har, woof, oh, woof. And here's the zookeeper, and he says, lovely. But at night, there is never a sound. Nighttime is really best for sleeping, especially for little birds. Oh, look, Beebee Bobby is all asleep. Well, actually, Beebee Bird is all asleep. She says Beebee Bobby. I liked that book, didn't you? It kind of reminded me of Bear Can't Sleep. Remember the book about Bear trying to sleep and Duck kept him up? Well, in this book, it was a bird, a Beebee bird that kept them up. Bye, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll link this book below, and please subscribe if you like our stories and activities. Bye.